Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the target drive and Windows. Plug in an external disk and confirm it has more than the estimated free GB. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Backup and Restore Windows 7 right away. This is where the System Image tool lives. Make sure you run it with administrator privileges and close non-essential apps so files aren't locked. From here, click Create a System Image to kick off the image wizard and choose where to save it. You now choose the destination and volumes to include. Select the external drive, DVD series, or network location. Network saves require /servername/share and proper permissions. Make sure to tick the system, recovery, and any OEM partitions the wizard lists. Those restore bootability. Click Next, then Start Backup. Windows uses volume shadow copy to capture live files. Watch the progress bar and estimated time while it runs. You finish by creating recovery media and verifying the image integrity. When the backup completes, choose Create a System Repair Disk or make a bootable USB so you can restore the image later. Then check the backup log in Event Viewer or Backup and restore to confirm no errors and note the final size. Safely eject and label the drive and place a copy offsite if possible. Troubleshooting tip. If the image fails for space or permission reasons, run disk cleanup, free space, or run the tool as administrator and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.